What is facilities management? Facilities management is often an unseen industry which operates in the background to ensure buildings and services operate safely and efficiently, to allow people to go about their work, rest or play without having to worry about how the building functions, if it's comfortable or clean. Every day, millions of people work within the facilities management industry, 24/7, 365 days a year, working hard to ensure buildings are maintained, the lights work, air conditioning is comfortable, workspaces are clean, waste is collected, and security keep the premises safe for people to use. People take the industry for granted and often don't notice the services happening to make sure everything is working efficiently and safely. There are many elements to the industry, from the facilities managers who look after all of the services, coordinating the teams of in-house staff or subcontractors,